I want to take this opportunity to share with the jury a journey of building mobile-based travel products for the Indian market. The mobile ecosystem in India is growing really fast. India is one of the countries where mobile has leapfrogged the desktop, and for a large population, mobile is the device where they access internet for the first time. According to Google, there are more than 900 million mobile handsets in the country, out of which nearly 70 million mobile phones have data connectivity. We are seeing a huge burst in smartphone usage. There are currently more than 27 million smartphones, and this number is growing at 100% annually. Our mobile strategy is to build products the mobile first way, not like a mobile version of the desktop side. To empower the Indian traveler, we have taken special care to build our solutions to cater to their needs. A large chunk of mobile users in India still use phones at 2G or edge speeds, and as a result, our solutions are optimized to work on low bandwidth connections. We enable our users to leverage mobile features like geolocation, local data caching, and calendar integration to make their experience as seamless as possible with minimum user inputs and a concise product flow. As of today, we have a mobile site for low bandwidth connections, a richer mobile site to provide app-like experience on touchscreen smartphones, and applications on Android, iPhone, and BlackBerry. Each of these offerings allow our customers to book flights, hotels, submit holiday queries, and check or modify their bookings. In addition, we also have location-specific features like places to eat that help our travelers with their needs when they have arrived at their destination. As an indicator to our success, our apps have been downloaded more than 500,000 times, and we are seeing impressive growth on mobile-based flight and hotel bookings. Our iPhone app has been ranked as the top free iPhone app in India on the Apple App Store. In addition to the phones, we have also launched apps on tablets to help consumers make travel decisions. Our holiday booking app was recently launched on Windows 8 platform and has been widely acclaimed for its design. The app leverages the Windows 8 Metro design paradigm to provide a rich visual experience on various destinations and helps the consumer answer the tough question, where should I go next? To cater to phones without an internet connection, we have launched text-based solutions that allow users to search for travel products using natural language queries. So now you can go ahead and say, I want to go from Delhi to Bangalore on New Year with my girlfriend, and the service will understand your needs and return you flight fares for two adults. This is just one of the 10 services that we have launched so far on text, catering to a really large segment of users who have mobile devices but are not yet internet enabled. We have also thought hard about native versus HTML5 based approach to mobile apps and have perfected the HTML5 approach of building hybrid apps for Android, iPhone, and mobile web. This has been a phenomenal engineering and design feat for us and has allowed us to rapidly build and deploy complex products on our mobile site and app stores with minimum overheads. Our hotel booking product is a practical example of this approach, and we are extending this approach to all future development. As a result of our strategies, we are seeing massive growth in mobile usage adoption with more than 12% of our site traffic going mobile, growing at 200% year over year. Mobile is set to grow fast, and we are placing a huge bet on this medium. That's about it, friends. Overall, I would like to conclude by saying that we at Make My Trip are doing several innovations to pioneer travel solutions on mobile in India, and in my opinion, the journey is just getting started. Thank you.